In this tutorial we will learn how to create bubbles in Blender. First get rid of the cube. Then add a UV sphere. Press Ctrl+2 to add a subsurf modifier. Then smooth shade it. Now go to Material section. And add a transparent shader. Then in below under Blend Mode, select Alpha Hashed. Also enable the backface culling. Now go to World Properties. And add an environment texture. Then click on Open. And select an HDRI file. Switch to Render Mode. Now split the viewport. Then press Shift plus F3 to enter Shader Editor. Now add a mix shader. Place it between the two. Then add a glass shader. Plug it to the mix shader. Now select Layer Weight under the input. And plug the facing to factor. Then lower down the blend value. Now under Texture, select Noise Texture. Increase the detail all the way up to 16. Lower down the scale to something like 0.5. Then increase the distortion value to something like 8. Now under Color, select Hue Saturation and put it between Noise and Glass node. Then change the saturation to 3. Now if you want, you can change the blend mode to Alpha Blend. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. Also subscribe to the channel, if you haven't already.